Hello everyone, I hope you had a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to make a shadow to any object and picture with Adobe Photoshop. For example, we have this picture. So this picture is just a table and I added the object and I make it the shadow for it in one time with Adobe Photoshop. So let's go starting the first time going to the Adobe Photoshop and going to the open and getting the background. So turning the files and getting the object picture, so dropping in the space in here. So now go to the toolbar and get the object selection and make a border. Okay, so it will be making a automatically border. So now press the Ctrl and J together from your keyboard, so you can rename in here with double click and type any name. So now move the layer to the background and with the moving tool resize the object. Okay, so now you can see, and now go to the object selection again and just click in here and stay to making a border automatically. Okay, so now select the object, okay, and go to the select and go to the color range and let the fuzziness number at a 0, so let the range to a high number and get the select to highlight and click OK. So click OK again if you see this message and turn to the object and select or click a one click to making a border again. So go to here and click the salt color and get the color to a black color. So now click to the black color in here and click OK. And now go to the moving tool and click here a double click. So click with the right click again and click at the Philip vertical. Okay, so now turn to the moving tool and get out the black object. Okay, and scroll like this. Okay, so go to here, get the filter or the color fill to down. Okay, so resize. Okay, and move. So now press and hold the control and move the line to making a size. Okay, so now you can click in here again and click to the warp to getting a more free way to resizing. Okay, like this you can see. So now click done and go to here, click to the normal. You can make or select the overlay. Okay, but I advising you get the normal and go to here and get the opacity number to down to make a shadow. Okay, and now this video is come to end, so you can save this picture. So this video has come to end. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and send to another people to learning or for learning, and subscribe to see more videos in soon time. So thank for watching. Goodbye. See you.